Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to disable images in Firefox or Chrome browsers to speed up internet page loading. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize how your browser works. The settings page is where you'll find all the controls for managing your browsing experience and privacy options. Once you're in the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a sidebar with different categories. Click on Privacy and Security from this sidebar. This section contains all the important controls for managing what websites can and cannot do while you're browsing, including permissions for images, cookies, and other content. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find an option labeled Site Settings and click on it. This area gives you granular control over what individual websites are allowed to access and display, including images, JavaScript, pop-ups, and more. It's essentially the command center for site permissions. Now, scroll down through the site settings until you find the option labeled Images, and click on it. Here you'll see options for controlling how Chrome handles images on websites. You'll notice a radio button that says Don't allow sites to show images. Click this radio button to enable it. By selecting this option, you're telling Chrome to block all images from loading on any website you visit, which significantly speeds up page loading times and reduces data usage. Now it's time to do the same thing in Firefox. Go ahead and open your Firefox browser. Once it's open, click on the address bar at the top of the screen. Here, you're going to type about://config and press enter. This takes you to Firefox's advanced configuration page where you can modify internal settings that aren't available in the regular settings menu. A warning page will appear telling you that changing these settings can affect Firefox's performance and security. Don't worry though, what we're doing is completely safe. Click the button that says accept the risk and continue to proceed to the configuration page. Once you're on the configuration page, you'll see a button that says Show All. Click on it to display all available configuration options. This gives you access to every setting Firefox has under the hood, but we're only going to modify one specific setting. Now, look for the search bar at the top of the configuration page. In this search bar, type permissions.default.image. This will filter the list to show only the setting we need to change. This particular setting controls whether Firefox loads images by default. You'll see the setting appear in the list with a pencil icon beside it. Click on the pencil icon to edit this setting. A small input field will appear where you can change the value. Currently, it's probably set to 1, which means images are enabled. Change this value to 2 and press enter. Setting it to 2 tells Firefox to block all images from loading on websites, just like we did in Chrome. And that's it! You've successfully disabled images in both Firefox and Chrome, which will significantly speed up your internet page loading times and save bandwidth. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.